Good day, sir. I am Marlo Dua. Our activity for today is all about collection and preservation of biological evidence, specifically blood and bloody fluids collection. There are four methods on how to collect blood and body fluids that can be found at crime scene. First method is cutting, second is tape lifting, third is wet absorption, and the last is scrapping. The first method is we're going to perform is cutting. The investigator need to do is to cut the portion of the item where the suspected bloodstain adheres. The instrument we use is sterilized cutting device or scissor. Then we put it on a paper bag in order to preserve the evidence that we discover on a suspected item. The second method on the collection blood and body fluid as evidence is wet absorption method. The item that we use here are cotton buds and distilled water in order to moisture the tip of cotton buds and sub it on the suspected evidence, and after that we air dry the cotton buds as preservation of evidence, and after we put on a paper bag we sealed and we filled it at the evidence tag as identification of evidence, and also we're doing a cotton buds dry not moisture by distilled water as other adoption on way of absorption on evidence. On collecting the third activity we're going to perform is tape lifting. Tape lifting is only applicable on non-absorbent item or material like cement, tiles, or glass. In this activity, we use such tape as letter instead of using fingerprint later to remove a suspected bloodstain, adhering unsuspected material or item, and then we put it in a paper bag to preserve the evidence and sealed it properly for laboratory examination. That will be done by the investigator. The last method is we're going to perform is scrapping method. Must be done on scrapping the item merge suspected evidence adheres. A scrapping must be there on the moving suspected stain or something by sterilized object on material. In this activity, we use a sterilized knife to remove a suspected stain on a wood, and also we use a clean bond paper to clutch the filling scrap evidence from falling on the ground, and then we put the evidence on paper bag to preserve the evidence and for laboratory examination. Good day, sir. That would be all. Thank you.